Ngavana wa kaunti ya Masaku Wavinya Ndeti niwakusiia walan'yo wa kunyaaikya Liu kwa sukulu syonthe sya Ecde ila si wodini syonthe si miongo na kauntini ya Masaku. Ngavana ndanena niwaelesya kana nukuendeea kutwaiisya mawalan'yo mekivathun'yo ma kutuika maundu makoneti kisomo kauntini ya Masaku ta kunengane syeki sya bursary kunengane yiia kwa syana sya Ecde na kutwaiisya mawalan'yo kivathun'yo ni kana kuikithya kana amathiwa ni matethe kalivo tiumbanityo ni umwandikisha wa mavo kuma kauntini ya Masaku Dan Mongela.
Gavana wa kaunti ya Masaku na ninavanza wa ovisi wa waita usula wiwine wa migwani ilivindana wa kusiia wa walan'yo wa kunyaaikya Liu kwa masukulu ma Ecde kauntini ino ya Masaku ni watula muti Nthu syake sya Kiuteti ila siendeea na kuvua mawalan'yo ma maendeleo silikalini ino ndelisika ndesa kunwani kumuthukuma mwene nthi ndesa kuedukisya mawasyasu.
Tumeleta chakula na hiyo tulianza last term, hii tumeleta tena na tutaendelea kuleta kila term, watoto wetu waweze kupata chakula. At least kama there is protein, tumeweka protein hapo na starch na kuna maziwa. Tukipatia watoto hiyo kwa shule na wao wakirudi nyumbani, kina mama wahakikishe kuna cabbage, kuna spinach, waongezee hapo jioni watoto wakule. By the time mtoto anaenda kulala, amekula balanced diet. Na hii ndio nimeamua mimi kama mama nihakikishe hiyo imefanywa.
Inki gavana wa kaunti ya Masaku Masaku Wavinya Ndeti niwaelesya kana nukuendeea na kutwaiisya walan'yo wa kunyaaikya syeki sya bursary nikienda kuendeea na kutuika walan'yo wa kisomo na kukithya kana amathiwa onthe kauntini ya Masaku na ala maumite misiini ya ukwati munini nimethiwa matonya kuvika masukuluni.
Ile ingine nimefanya kwa sababu ya kuinua masomo ni bursaries kila ward, na hizo nina launch Friday na tunaenda kupatiana. Nimepatiana 2.2 million per ward. Hiyo pesa, ile pesa ya chini sana tumepatiana is 3,000. And I think in every ward we have over 500 students. If you multiply that in Machakos County, we will have a great number of our young people going to school.
Woivina ni unake munini wa gavana kauntini ya Masaku Francis Mwangangi ndanena chathini ki ni wa mwenda gavana wa kaunti ya Masaku ndakese kuethukisya ona vanini Nthu isu sya Kiuteti ndaelesekana wendi wasyo ni kutunga maendeleo na nthina na mwene nthi wa kaunti ya Masaku kuumia.
Anywhere in the world, any region, anywhere in the world, even in our republic, that wants to transform, that has transformed, has ensured the basics are gotten right. And that's why, Your Excellency, you have chosen to ensure the basic, which is the Ecde in this county, is very strong, is able to pick and move. And other than the issue we are talking about, 100% transition. Transition here is referred from the parent to the school. Then from that Ecde level, then you continue with your education. I think you have ensured, and that is very strong, Your Excellency. I congratulate you.
Daniela Mongela, Mutungu TV, kuanza wa mwaka wa White House, uyini wa migwani.